is Chris Jones from Zonlife Success. That's Zon, not Zone. I'm 26 years old from the UK. I've been selling on Amazon FBA, strictly private label, for the last 3 years now.
This is Seth, Kniep It Real. I started with a single dime and I doubled the dime 20 times up to $100,000. Today I work with a team of 9 coaches who coach people how to build their businesses on Amazon in 89 different countries around the world.
Hey guys, my name is Danny Carlson. Been selling on Amazon for about 2 years, and I have an Amazon agency, Kenji ROI, where we help brands succeed on Amazon.
That's a really good question because people ask this all the time.
For the person who's looking for the quick results, overnight success, get rich quick scheme, this isn't for you. This is not for you. If you want that cash in your hand straight away, go and wash a car, go and do door-to-door sales. This is for that someone who's wanting the longevity of success, looking for financial freedom. This isn't even like a game or a hobby for many people who think of us as just like, oh, they just sell stuff on Amazon. This is an actual business. You form an LLC, a limited company. This is like real.
Someone who does not understand the value of risk and reward. I work with many people, and some people I've worked with, they have this romantic idea that they're gonna go out, they're just gonna start selling on Amazon, they're gonna make a ton of money, they're gonna fire their boss, they're gonna say, yes, we did it, and they're gonna travel the world. And that's all true, and it can happen. But you have to switch your mentality from a security 9 to 5, I get my paycheck and I have my benefits mentality to, I'm naked, I'm on my own, I'm on the street, and I got these assets. How am I gonna handle these in such a way that's gonna take care of me and build a business? It's a different mindset. So here's what I do. I take every decision and I put risks on one side and the rewards on the other. And I ask which one wins. If the risks are higher, then I'm not gonna touch it. If the rewards are higher, the potential rewards, I'm gonna do it and dive straight in.
If you can't sleep at night with large amounts of uncertainty, because on Amazon, you're constantly going to be having game-changing TOS changes coming at you, sneaky black hat tactics from your competitors trying to get your account suspended. Then there also is a risk of getting suspended on Amazon. There's so many variables that if you can't deal with that uncertainty, you're probably going to make some pretty rash decisions with your money in your business.
Hey, listen up. Big news. Big news. The next few minutes may change your private label business in a big way. It's been 2 years since Helium 10 was born, and it's now the #1 Amazon software suite containing over 20 tools for smart Amazon sellers. But the big news is that Helium 10 has launched 2 new product research tools. The first one is called Black Box. Black Box, like the data devices on aircraft that store everything. That's what this is, a black box for Amazon. Helium 10 currently has the largest Amazon product database on the planet and crushes the competition with over 450 million products being tracked. This way, you don't ever miss out on an opportunity. And Black Box is the #1 tool for product research if you're not sure what you're looking for. It's super easy to use. Let me give you an example. You can sift through millions of products in seconds by setting your criteria. Like, if you want a baby product that sells at least $50,000 per month, weighs less than 2 pounds, but sells for at least $40 and has no more than 90 reviews, so you can dominate that product niche. Yes, it can be that detailed, and you'll be surprised at the incredible profit opportunities that appear that you never even thought of. It's how I found one of my winning products that generated over $200,000 in sales in its first month, and that ended up being over $76,000 in profit for just that one product in just that 1 month. It's a product I would never have thought of and didn't even know people were looking for. The next product search tool is called X-Ray. It's called X-Ray because an X-Ray shows you the important stuff on the inside, right? The Helium 10 X-Ray tool is different from Black Box and is a necessary tool because X-Ray is for those of you that already know what you want your product to be. Type the keyword phrase into Amazon, see the results, and then click on our X-Ray button on our Helium 10 extension, and bam! Just like an X-ray, you see the inner workings of each of those products that are showing up in the search results, like how many units they sell per day or per month, or how much money they're making, and so much more. And new features are being added weekly. But wait, we've also deleted the old Magnet keyword tool and started over. We now have Magnet 2. Magnet 2! Which is by far the most powerful keyword tool on the market. But don't take our word for it. Try it against the competition. Even the most obscure keyword phrase will pull up relevant keywords for you to use in your listing and crush it. Without the best keywords in your listing, you're always going to be leaving money on the table. And Magnet 2 doesn't stop there. You also get the exact match monthly search volume for those keywords. Not from Google or another search engine, but actual search volume from Amazon. That's where so many other keyword tools miss the mark. They're guessing. Don't guess in your business. Magnet 2 is so accurate that we use those numbers in our popular CPR launch strategy that thousands of Amazon sellers have used to get their products to the top of page 1 for just about any keyword phrase they're targeting. If you haven't tried Magnet 2 for your keyword research, you're missing out. Check it out today. Now, that would be enough to make most people happy, but Helium 10 should probably change its name to Helium 20 Plus because we keep adding new tools and features every month without raising the price. Helium 10 is still the same price it was 2 years ago when it only had 3 tools. Now there are over 20 tools to help you with product research, keyword research, listing optimization, hijacker alerts, inventory protection, refund reimbursements by Amazon. By the way, I've gotten back over 5 figures so far using Refund Genie. Checking product trends so you know what their best-selling months are so you can time the market. A built-in profit calculator in our Chrome extension. A tool for spying on your competitors' inventory levels. Another tool for downloading all the reviews of any ASIN you want for research on how to make your product better. And so many other tools. 100% of my product and keyword research is now done in Helium 10. There's no need to go anywhere else, ever, and use tools that are inaccurate or buggy. It would be silly to do so. Everything is in one place at helium10.com. You can create a free account at Helium 10 now to try out most of the tools. It's the best thing you can do for your Amazon business. And Helium 10, guys, it was designed by me and engineered by the smartest people I know on the planet. Engineered to save you time and make you money. And if you become a paid member and you feel it's not for you for any reason after trying it, Helium 10 has an unconditional money-back guarantee. There's absolutely no risk and everything to gain. Head over to helium10.com. Keep on crushing it.